Hi guys, and welcome back to the Lazy Girls Kitchen. If you are new, I'm Maggie, and welcome. I apologize for my appearance, but it is at the end of the filming day, and I started editing and realized I don't have an intro for the video, so I just wanted to hop on and kind of give you a quick overview of what I'm going to share with you today. I'm going to show you how to make a crepe casserole, if you want to call it that. I don't know. It's a delicious bake. I use crepes, and the filling is farmer's cheese, which I buy at my Polish supermarket. But if you can't find it, you can use cream cheese or whatever filling really you want. It's really easy. It's delicious. It makes the most amazing leftovers because we make like a custardy like thing to put over it, so when it bakes it, like, it's so good. I can't even tell you. But yeah, so I wanted to share that with you. I hope you guys like it. I did not share or show you in the video how to make the crepes, but I have several videos which I can actually link down below that show you how I make them. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy it. If you like it, make sure you give us a big thumbs up, and as always, if you have not yet subscribed, you need to do that right now. Bye guys.
Watch the clock ticking off the wall, but tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at these beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at these beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Look at these beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Lay my troubles to rest. Blow the smoke through my cigarette. City lights looking fine, and I know this is my time now. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at these beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at these beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Stars, I wanna drive a faster car. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna